Hey everyone, M1 Shadow here. What you're looking at is my delicious Italian antipasto salad, and today I'm going to show you how to make it. So let's get started. So what we have over here is some romaine lettuce. I think this is the best lettuce for it. And we're going to go ahead and start cutting that up. Now we're going to put that on our plate. We're now going to start prepping our cheese and meat mixture. What I've got here is 3 slices of provolone. We're going to go ahead and put a piece of salami on each one, and then some ham. And then what you want to do is just roll them up. Once they're rolled up, you just want to slice them like that. Now we're going to throw those on there. Next we're going to start slicing our tomato. You want to use a good quality tomato. I have a on the vine tomato here. Then what I like to do is after I get them sliced, I like to actually put them like that and then cut it in half. Now we have our layer of tomatoes. Next we have black olives. Now we have the roasted red peppers. Now we have artichoke hearts. And the last thing you want to do right before you eat it is just hit it with some Italian dressing. And that's it. Our antipasto salad is done. This is really good. I think you're all going to like it. As always, I do want to thank you all for watching and have a good one.